You just wanted to get people interested in space again.
Yes, yes.
Capture the imagination.
Yes, that was the idea.
You know, there are American heroes who don't like this idea. Neil Armstrong, Gene Cernan have both testified against commercial spaceflight in the way that you're developing it. And I wonder what you think of that.
I'm very sad to see that. You know, those guys are heroes of mine, so it's really tough.
They inspired you to do this, didn't they?
Yes.
And to see them casting stones in your direction.
It's difficult.
When you had that third failure in a row, did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
Why not?
I don't ever give up.
All right, man. Yes. What is going on, man? What is... Oh, where are my controls not responding here? All right, guys, what's going on, man? Hello. Having some control issues. Hey, guys, my name's Gerald Peters, and this is the Money Flow. We're trying to get into it here. If I can... All right, man. We're sort of back. Are we still back? Are we back? Fuck, dude. Come on. Man, let me back out of here and try this shit. All right. Damn. We had a nice little entrance going there, too. What's up, man? Hope everybody's doing well. Took down Man, I don't even know. All right, let's get into it. What's up, man? What's up, John? What's up? What's up, guys? Technical difficulties. Hey, let's see. Let's just get into some charts, man. I like this Cisco chart. And if you guys have seen this one, had this one in our list. If you're not on our chart list, if you go over to stock charts and go over to the public chart list, you'll see that we are in number 3. Not sure how we haven't moved up, since we have more votes and more follows than number 2, and yet somehow we're not number 2. So keep voting if you would. If you look at the charts, just click a little vote there. It helps me out. Let's see here. All right, so this is a little, I mapped this out last week. Target, this is a very simple setup. Cisco, you had this beautiful up run, a beautiful uptrend here. And then we kind of stalled out, man. And as we stalled out, what that did, kind of gave us a little box here to work with. We had these previous highs. So then that makes it pretty simple. You know, if you get a big enough sell-off, we can get this stage 1 sideways, get a nice little run up, and you can catch $6-7. And, you know, I'd probably wait till about $80 before I started trimming it. And it's going to put the RSI there about 70. So that's that is a standard everyday old swing trade. I'm in Cisco. I don't know if you are. Don't let these high prices scare you from being in these stocks, man. Let's see. US 30 outlook. What's going on, man? Appreciate you. Gang, gang. All right. Not what sure US 30 outlook is, sir. Man. What's up, Lena? How you doing? What's up, baby? All right, looks like we're gonna have problems today. I hate that. Let me get out of these contracts. It's fucked up. We got some day trading going here at the same time. Too big. Let's share this one instead. If you go over here to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is $BTC USD. Jesus. Now, good thing, this Bitcoin trades 24/7. And here's what I want to bring your attention. We got a nice move. They got a hit. I got hit day trading it earlier today. I looked away for just a couple minutes, man. Next thing you know, bam, I was getting knocked out. Took a nice little lump. But we're starting to see on the daily, you know, starting to put in a bottom here. We got an anchor point right here at about what, 85,500, maybe 86. Starting to get that curl on the TSI that I like to see. The MACD's already indicated the momentum's to the upside. And obviously the target's going to be around the 200 here. Maybe a little earlier, but right around in there. Obviously, we got to get above this 97.5. That's going to be first overhead resistance. But plenty of room here for crypto to get running. And we are. Right now, we're about to break 89. So nice little move today, man. We'll keep an eye on this. But I'm day trading it on a 1-minute chart. Now, I'm using perpetual contracts from Coinbase. And you can see we've had a real nice run here. So I've caught most of this run from about 87.3 up to 88.9. So that's, what is that, 1,100, 1,400 points. The cool thing about these perpetual contracts, man, is they're 1/100th. So if Bitcoin's trading at 89,000, it costs $89 for a contract. And so, like, I just now I bought 50 contracts. That's half a Bitcoin. So what Coinbase in effect has done by doing this is now we can actually day trade. You can day trade it any time of the day. It trades 24 hours a day. And you could, I mean, for as little as $500 or $1,000 in your account. So it's pretty cool, man. I would definitely be taking advantage of that because it's just gonna teach you trading skills. Loaded up on BitTEX a few weeks back. Hopefully BTC will explode some point this year. Yeah, it's probably a good move. It's coming soon here. Just about time everybody starts hating it again. All right, let's look at. All right, so we already looked at Cisco. Let's run through some of these dogs of the Dow here. As you know, I track these every day, every week. So I'm back in a full set on here on the Bitcoin. You know what? Let's do it over here. And let's see. Amgen. What did I say up here? Notice price broke out above resistance level, but quickly fell back below. Interesting note. Fair value for Amgen is $333. So fair value is right around in there. Right around where this stock has stopped each time. So we'll see if it gets a raise. Maybe it'll get a raise. Who knows, right? Maybe so. Let's see. What do you mean by US 30? You talking about the Dow Jones 30? Oh, man. Is it doing this? Man, my internet's been fine all day until I tried to go live. All right. Let's see. All right, we already looked at Cisco. I mean, I may have to come back on this because the internet is going crazy here. I'm at my house in New Orleans. Sometimes it does not cooperate. Hey, what is your opinion of tokenization of assets and the 24/7 trading on the NASDAQ? Do you have a plan to take advantage of that? I still don't understand how it's going to work. No. I really don't have an opinion. I don't know, man. We'll see how it works. I don't know. I don't think anybody really knows. I'm not really sure why they want to do it. I don't know why everybody wants to go to. Most people can't fucking trade the markets we have now. I don't know why going to 24 hours is going to do. I mean, I highly doubt there's going to be much volume at night. You know, I mean, I for one don't want the markets open 24 hours a day. It's hard enough with the times it's open now. Just having Bitcoin open 24 hours a day is tough, man. So I don't know. I don't know what it's going to do. I don't know about tokenization of assets and all that shit. I think it's going to be a lot slower rollout than people are letting on. But if there's money to be made, the banks are going to try to figure out how to do it, you know. It'd be interesting to have some of your, you know, some stuff like when you buy a house, it sure seems to take fucking, you know, it's a lot more complicated than it needs to be. And a lot of, you know, old school paperwork. You got these giant folders, you know, you get 2 different folders for each house. If you're like me and you got like 18 houses, man, it's a lot of fucking papers. Let's see. Is this ever going to come off? That's too bad. I'll just do a video here in a little while. We'll run through some of these, man. It's my internet. It's not doing well. Hey, my neighbor there, he needs a fucking haircut. Looks like a goddamn animal. Let's see. Hey, get your boyfriend a haircut early. Let's see. It's fucking ridiculous. Let's see. Chevron, man. Let's pull this up. Look at this Chevron. Let's see. Now this is a classic stage 3. I mean, it looks like it wants to keep pushing, but it's really going to have to work some of this off. This is a classic right here. That's a box. Let's see. Here we go. Ash, get your boyfriend a haircut. Come on, it's looking ridiculous. Here we go. Boom. Bitcoin just took off. So we got, this is Chevrons, right? So the XLE, the energy sector, it's leading the way. These commodities, if you haven't noticed, you got oil, gold, silver. I mean, that's what's up right now. It's the commodities are leading the way. And I'm not sure what the true value on it is, but it can't be much higher, I'm thinking. I expect these to start turning around as soon as oil does. Let's see. What's the next one? Wow. Really not going to go, are they? Man. Huh, killing me here. Guys, I can't get it to load anything here.